Hi everyone. So most of us were scared of mathematics. When we heard this word, oh no, what to do and what to not. But no, don't worry. This was CA Foundation keyword exam. Even if you're doing these chapters, you are sorted. Trust me on this. Chapter number 1 consists of 4 to 5 marks. Even if you're not doing indices and logarithm, you're just doing ratio, you are sorted. Like you get 1 to 2 marks over here. Each and every mark count, okay? Then comes chapter number 4. The chapter number 4 consists of around 14 marks. It is direct formula based questions. You need to do the formulas thoroughly. So this chapter is for mathematics of finance, is for 14 marks. Then comes chapter number 6, series and sequence. Again, this is the easiest chapter, formula based chapter. You don't need to, mug up the formulas. Even if you understand them, you are sorted. Then comes the easiest, that is the LR, that is the logical reasoning. This is for 20 marks. You're doing this, then trust me, you are like 50% you are done with this. This is the 20 marks chapters, so chapter number 9 to chapter number 12. Then comes chapter number 13. It is a theoretical chapter. Sometimes 2 to 3 questions might come for like solve the questions. But most of all these chapters we have this 13 one is theoretical one. Direct questions have been asked. It's less time consuming as well. Then chapter number 14. It is again formula based. You need to have the thorough knowledge about the formulas. Like I had the formulas and also see how to apply this. Application is equally important. Then comes chapter number 16, theoretical distribution. Poisson distribution is the most important one. Like 1 or 2 questions have been asked directly on Poisson distribution. Then we have index number. Index number, easiest chapter, comes for 5 marks. Sometimes directly theoretical questions have been asked from this chapter. Also, there might come 2 to 3 questions, easier one, which where you might be asked to solve questions. Overall, these are the chapters which are the very easiest one. Even if you're doing this, you're scoring about 60 marks. So do it well, and for more such videos, like, share and subscribe.